Hi everyone, I'm Beatriz, I'm from Spain, and this is my CS50 final project. I took the web programming track, and my project is a simple web application called CSMoodlet. I'm someone who's deeply interested in music, and I use Spotify a lot, so I wanted to make a web page that was able to predict what kind of mood I had been in according to the music I had been listening to, and also a page that was able to create playlists for me in case I didn't want to bother making them myself. So let's just dive into it. It has an authentication page where I had to put in the credentials to log in with Spotify. So if we do this, after it authenticates, it takes us to a welcome page where we can see that the website recognizes the user and shows us some basic information like country, email, ID, subscription, and also our public playlist information. You can also see that the two main features are the mood calculator and the playlist generator. So for the first one, as I explained, according to the one time range that we can choose, short, medium, or long, it shows us the top tracks for that time range and the track features, which will help us calculate the mood that we have been in. For example, for the short term, which is 4 weeks, it shows us the 30 top tracks and the playlist features out of all the 30 tracks, which are acousticness, danceability, energy, instrumentalness, speechiness, and balance. In this case, since the acousticness and the speechiness values are low and the danceability and energy values are high, it tells us that my mood has been lately a party mood, but there are many other options to choose from. For the second part, which is the playlist generator, the user will choose a mood, and it will create a playlist according to the features that the songs should have to be in that mood. It is again a 30 song long playlist, so if the user does not have in their liked tracks enough songs to choose from, the web application will choose the tracks out of some Spotify playlists. We can also see in the Spotify part of this feature that in the public playlists, the website will publish that playlist for you, and we can listen to it whenever we want. So that is CSMoodlet, and this has been my final project for CS50.